Falche erash. Welcome back. So we're looking at Fashnioch nan Strachan. And thank you if you posted a comment on the first part of this story video. Always nice to hear your thoughts. Yeah, gleva, gleva. I saw one or two folk who predicted what's going to happen in this part. Gleva, gleva. So let's take a closer look at how this actually came true, because it did 200 years later. Okay, maha. So show. Show Fashnioch nan Strachan. In la H Ushka agus Chenya tro Hrachan in your niche. Okay, maha. Kimmer a H Ushka agus Chenya tro Hrachan in your niche. Kimmer. Well, Smönich tai. Show tai. Smönich tai. Show tai aunen in your niche. Show tai aunen in your niche. Gleva. Okay, maha. Well, ha ushka ounce and tai. Oh ha ushka ounce. Ha ushka ounce and tai. Oh ha ushka ounce and tai. Gleva. Agus ha chena ounce and tai kutjoch. Show tai aunen in your niche. Ha ushka ounce and tai. Ha ushka ounce and tai. Agus ha chena ounce and tai. Chena maha. Becken orange. Gleva. Jedak agus orange. Son chena. Well, ha ushka ounce and tai agus ha chena ounce and tai kutjoch. Ha ushka aun agus ha chena. Ha chena aun kutjoch. Chena shin gas. Shin gas. Agus ha gas agus ushka ounce and tai. Gleva ach kimmer a hanig. Kimmer a hanig. Kimmer a hanig and tushka agus an chena. Gan tai. Gan. Aye, kimmer a hanig. Kimmer a hanig and tushka agus an chena gan tai. Kimmer. Well, aunam pipan. Show pipan maha. Peep. An. Gleva. Hanig an tushka agus an chena gante aunam pipan. Pipan. Gleva. Sin kerst. Sin kerst. Agus, well, sin mar. Sin mar. Sin mar a H ushka agus chena tro hrachin in your niche. Aunam pipan. Aunam pipan. Gleva. Va fashnioch nan strachin kjerst. Kjerst. Va I kjerst. Gleva maha. Gleva. Unla. H ushka agus chena. Tro hrachin in your niche. Aunam pipan. Aunam pipan maha. Gleva sho pipan. Gleva. So to us these days, the idea of plumbing and, long chains of pipes isn't that big a deal, but think, about 400 years ago, to some people, that would have been unthinkable. That would have just been miraculous. Yeah. So, in the 1600s, this was predicted that fire and water would, go through the streets of Inverness, and 200 years later, it was true. It came true because they put in pipes to bring gas and water to all the buildings. That's how it came true. Gleva, gleva. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Have a lovely, happy, and safe Samhain. Keep a little bit of metal on you, just to keep away anything supernatural. You don't want to get into trouble or get taken away on Samhain around this time. All right. Gleva maha. Bianach lecht.